To patch Azure SQL scale out, start by understanding the importance of maintaining your database's security and performance. Patching is essential to ensure you have the latest updates and fixes. And it is crucial for scale-out databases where multiple nodes work together to provide high availability and scalability. First, check the current patch level of your Azure SQL database by using the Azure portal or Azure CLI. This step helps you identify if any updates are available and what version you are currently running. Next, prepare for the patching process by ensuring all nodes in your scale-out database are online and healthy. You can do this by checking the Azure portal or using Azure CLI commands to verify the status of each node. Now, apply the patch to each node in the scale-out database. You can do this automatically using Azure's built-in patching feature or manually by applying the patch to each node individually. Automatic patching is recommended as it simplifies the process and minimizes downtime. During the patching process, Azure will automatically redirect connections to other available nodes to minimize downtime. However, it is still essential to monitor the patching process and ensure all nodes are updated successfully. After patching, verify that all nodes are online and functioning correctly. You can do this by checking the Azure portal or using Azure CLI commands to verify the status of each node. Best practices for patching Azure SQL scale-out databases include scheduling patches during maintenance windows, monitoring the patching process, and testing your database after patching to ensure everything is working correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure your Azure SQL scale-out database is up to date and running smoothly, providing high availability and scalability for your applications. Regular patching is critical to maintaining the security and performance of your database. And with Azure's automated patching features, it has never been easier to keep your database up to date.